In this video, let us continue to solve problems based on solving quadratic equation by completing the square. So we've got a quadratic equation here, 5x squared minus 6x minus 2 equals 0. Right, so the first step is obtaining the quadratic equation. We've done that. The second step is making the coefficient of x squared is 1. So therefore, dividing throughout by 5, we get x squared minus 6 by 5x minus 2 by 5 equals 0. Right? So the next step is change the color for each and every step so that you understand what is the step that is going on. So one step is done. The second step is shifting the constant to the right hand side. So that becomes x squared minus 6 by 5x equals the negative 2 by 5 goes to the right hand side. It becomes positive 2 by 5. Right? So we've got this. So the next step is adding the square of half of the coefficient of x on both the sides, right? So we've got x squared minus 6 by 5x plus square of half of the coefficient of x. So half of 6 by 5 is 6 by 10, and that squared should be added to both the sides. So 2 by 5 plus 6 by 10 the whole squared. So remember, this step is not done. You need to modify a little here to make it in the form of a minus b the whole square. So it becomes x squared minus 2ab. Yeah, the a is x here because it is x squared. So the a is x here and the b is 6 by 10, right? So you just have to multiply 5 by 2. So that becomes 2 times 2a. A is x and b is 6 by 10, right? 6 by 10. Here is b. Here we've got a square and b square. We need to make it to ab. So here we've made it. So plus 6 by 10 the whole square equals 2 by 5 plus this is nothing but 36 by 100. So now this step is done. So now the next step is writing this in the form of a minus b the whole square. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is x square minus 2x times 6 by 10 plus 6 by 10 the whole square. So write this is x minus 6 by 10 the whole square. X minus 6 by 10 the whole square equals 2 by 5 plus 36 by 100. Well, before that, let us simplify this. It becomes 3 by 5. 2 times 3 gives you 6 and 2 times 5 gives you 10. And then 2 by 5 plus 36 by 100. We can write it as, well, let me simplify it here. 36 by 100. 2 times 18 and 2 times 50. 2 times 9 and 2 times 25. So we can write this as 9 by 25. So here we've got x minus 3 by 5 the whole square equals 2 by 5 plus 9 by 25. Right? So the LCM definitely is 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. Therefore, 2 times 5 is 10. So 10 plus 9 divided by 25. So x minus 3 by 5 the whole square equals 19 by 25. So the next step is taking square root on both the sides. So we get x minus 3 by 5 equals plus or minus square root of 19 by 25. So here we have x minus 3 by 5 equals plus or minus root of 19 divided by 5 because root of 25 is 5. So we've done that, but this is left. So the next step is shifting the constant to the other side. So there are two options that you can get, the two kinds of answers, right? One is 3 by 5 plus root 19 by 5, or x equals 3 by 5 minus root 19 by 5. So here we are, x equals, since the denominators are the same, we can write the numerators in the same line. So 3 plus root 19 divided by 5, or x equals 3 minus root 19 divided by 5. So here we've got the roots of the equation that we were given here, 5x squared minus 6x minus 2 equals 0. So here are the roots. And this we've done by the method of completing the square. So this is how you solve a quadratic equation, by completing the square. So this ends this problem as well as this video. Let's solve another problem based on solving quadratic equation by completing the square in the forthcoming video.